welcome to the presentation of the Mercedes-AMG GT Advent Calendar of Franzis. In just 20 minutes I will unveil the contents of 23 surprise boxes and assemble the Mercedes-AMG GT model. So let's unbox it and have a look at the contents. First of all, let's have a look at the booklet, which contains historic facts about the brand AMG and some instructions for building the model. The first box contains the sound base. The next one contains the first part of the Mercedes-AMG GT model. Now let's assemble a small toolbox to store the screws we'll get the next days. The fourth box contains a screwdriver and some screws for the assembly of the model. And now let's put the screws in our small toolbox. So today we'll get the AMG radiator grille. Look how detailed this tiny part is. On December the 6th, you'll open the box with a sound box module, which is responsible for the magnificent sound we heard at the beginning of the video. Next box contains the speaker. Pay special attention to the openings at the cover. Fix it in place with two screws. Don't tighten the screws too much, otherwise the isolation of the cables can be damaged. The box number 8 contains the label of the sound base. Take special care in order to place the sticker in the center. I tried several times until I got it in the right place. So today you'll get the battery box. Install two AA 1.5 volt batteries, which are not included, before mounting this module to the sound base. To correctly place the module, refer to the illustrations on page 19 of the booklet. The 10th box contains 3 or maybe 4 adhesive elastic buffers. Just stick them to the designated points at the bottom of the sound base. This box contains a cardboard stand-up. And now you will get another component of the vehicle, which is the interior. Just press it lightly on the chassis and take special care to avoid damaging any of the turning parts of it. The number 13 contains a magnetic bookmark. Today you'll receive another small figure. And the next box contains another background for the model. Mounted on the designated slots on the sound base. And the last box for today contains some AMG GT stickers in order to enhance the racing appearance of the model. That's it for today. In part 2 of this video I will open the remaining boxes with numbers 17 to 24 and assemble the model. We'll also have a look at the Franzis Advent Calendar with a Porsche 911. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video. Bye bye!